Hi, how are you? This is John in my business English lesson today. I want to talk about two common and different ways to use used to. The first way, used to do, which means something that you regularly did in the past but you don't do it now, is very common in business English speaking. For example, I used to work at Starbucks means that in the past I worked there but now I don't. Okay? The grammar rule is pretty simple. It's used to plus the base verb. Okay, so another way we can use used to is be used to doing, which simply just means to be accustomed to doing something, or something is familiar and no longer strange. So let's look at the grammar rule or formula you can follow. So the verb to be, which is, are, am, plus used to, plus the base verb, plus ing. Also, if you want, you can change this verb to be to get and got, all right? Which I will show you later in a different example. So look at this example below here. I am used to working on the weekends. So what does that mean? Well, this means that before it was strange or difficult to work on the weekends, but now, after some time, it is a lot easier for you. Okay? Okay, let's move on to some more examples on the next page. Okay, let's look at some examples that are up here on the board. At the top here, I used to travel. I used to travel for business. So what does that mean? Yeah, so it just simply means in the past I frequently traveled for business, but now I don't. Okay? The next one here, I used to be a manager at IBM. So again, in the past, I was a manager at IBM for some time, but now I'm not. All right? So it's pretty easy. The next one here is Joe is used to talking to clients. So what does that mean? Yeah, so it just means that before he found it difficult or strange to talk to clients, but now it's a lot easier for him. Let's look at the last one here. She got used to driving in traffic. So again, I changed the verb to be to got. And what does this mean? Yeah, it just means the same thing. Before, it was strange or difficult to drive in traffic, but now it's not. Okay? Okay, so in business English, it's pretty easy to use either one of used to in speaking or actually in writing too. Okay? Okay, so if you like my short lesson, give me a thumbs up. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Have a very good day.